So this video gives you overall plant care guidance.
Let's talk spider plants. As we know, you do not want to overwater them, and we know that they have tubers being native to South Africa, which means your plant can dry out a bit. Too dry will cause you problems. Not enough water will cause you problems. And potentially when you get too much water, not enough water, your leaves will start to yellow. And the beautiful thing is, as you go through, you can just pick off anything that's gone. Or where it starts to yellow, you can just do this. Okay, now, potentially as your plant grows, because you're going to do a great job with it, and it's going to be the healthiest plant known to mankind, what you're going to do is you're going to start to look for potentially the roots growing out of the bottom of your pot, and that tells you it's time to repot. The other thing you're going to find as you do really well with your plant is they will start to develop, I call them spider plant babies, but they'll start to trail and you will start to get plants like this. And the beautiful thing about these is you can do this.
So cool.
You have a plant, if you put them in water, they will start to do this. And as they develop roots, you start all over again with growing a new spider plant. And the other thing about a spider plant is if you're successful, they will start to flower for you. When your spider plant's flowering, that's a sign that it's a healthy plant. If you get your spider plants growing properly, swing it over here, Caroline, this way. In no time at all, you can create your own spider plant wall.
Living wall.
Yeah, that's your spider plant. Now let's talk your citronella plant. Your citronella plant will be something like this. And the trick with the citronella plant is you do not want it to grow spindly on you. If you don't have enough light, the plant will start to grow up and it'll start searching for the light. So if the light's too far away, there's not enough, the plant will grow towards the light and it'll get long and spindly. What you want to do is ensure the light is right, and to keep that plant from going spindly, if you look really closely here, if you break this off like that, it will force new leaves to grow in the base. And the beautiful thing about this plant is it's always growing new leaves. And by doing that, by continuously letting it grow and then pulling this off, what you can eventually do is you can shape your plant to get it to do something like this. And basically that, by pinching it off instead of letting it grow tall, it'll force it. You can see all the leaves growing here. I cut it here. We're forcing all the leaves to grow here, and we're forcing it to grow with the body that will keep it from growing tall and kind of out of control. Again, and the citronella, if you do this, smell, it's one of the most phenomenal plants you're ever going to be in possession of. That's Plant Care 101.
So awesome.